Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your email on Shopify. So let's get started right away. To change your email on Shopify, open your Shopify application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are in, tap on the profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Now tap on your email address or your username right above Add Store in the expanded menu. From the page, tap on Manage Account, which will then take you to accounts.shopify.com. From this page, scroll down and you'll be able to see your verified email address under Email. Simply tap on Update right next to your email and then in the pop-up, tap on Re-authenticate. It'll then take you to the Google website where you'll need to choose your account. Select your existing account or add a new account by entering your Google account's credentials. Once you go ahead and log into your Google account, it'll then take you to this interface here. Go ahead and enter the new email you are trying to change to. After entering an email address that you are trying to change to, tap on the Change Email button, and now you'll need to verify your new email address. Go ahead and log into your email inbox, open up the email from Shopify, and then tap on Verify Email. Tap on Accept, and you have successfully updated your email address. Now, you can continue using the newly updated email address to log in. So now next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the newly updated email address for Shopify. Once you are done with it, tap on the Continue button, enter your password, and then you should be able to get inside your account with the new email. So that is how you can easily change email on Shopify. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.